That clicking sound across the floor may seem harmless, but it can be your dog's paws asking for help. Long nails are not simply a cosmetic problem. They can change how a dog stands, grips, and moves. Over time, that small change can create discomfort, reduce stability, and make ordinary movement feel less natural. The good news is that regular nail care is simple when you understand what to look for and where to stop. Today, we will decode the signs, the risks, the safe technique, and the moments when professional help matters. Start with the easiest clue: listen. Nails that click constantly on hard floors may already be too long. Next, watch your dog while standing still. Most weight-bearing nails should not press heavily into the floor. Look at the shape too. A sharply curved hook at the tip usually means the nail needs attention. Long nails may also push the toes apart, making the paw look wider or more flattened than usual. On slippery surfaces, some dogs become hesitant because the nails reduce the paw pad's contact and traction. You may notice shorter steps, reluctance to run, or extra care when turning quickly around furniture. Stairs can reveal the problem too, especially when a dog pauses, stretches, or searches for secure footing. Difficulty getting up can have many causes, but overgrown nails may add another layer of discomfort or instability. Do not forget the side nails, called dewclaws. Because they do not touch the ground, they rarely wear down naturally. Why does length matter so much? Every step sends force from the nail into the toe and the rest of the limb. When the nail reaches the floor first, the toe may be pushed backward or forced into an unnatural angle. The dog may compensate by changing posture or shifting weight, sometimes so gradually that the owner does not notice. Senior dogs and dogs with joint or mobility problems can be especially sensitive to this extra mechanical stress. Long nails also catch easily in rugs, blankets, deck boards, and loose fabric around the home. A snag can crack, split, or partially tear a nail, causing sudden pain and significant bleeding. Curved nails may eventually grow toward the pad, where pressure can create a painful wound or infection. Overgrown nails can also make the paw less stable, especially when the dog tries to stop or change direction. That matters for every dog, but it is especially important for long-backed breeds that benefit from secure, controlled movement. Sometimes only one nail is the problem. A broken, twisted, or unusually shaped nail deserves a closer look. Limping, swelling, discharge, odor, or persistent licking may indicate pain or infection and should be evaluated by a veterinarian. Safe trimming begins with one crucial fact: a dog's nail is not an empty shell. Inside is the quick, a living core containing blood vessels and sensitive nerve tissue. Cutting into the quick hurts and causes bleeding, which can make a dog fear future nail care. In light-colored nails, the quick is often visible as a pink area extending through the center. Dark nails require more caution because the quick cannot be seen clearly from the outside. The safest rule is simple: remove tiny amounts, inspect after every cut, and stop before certainty becomes guesswork. Before trimming, choose a quiet, well-lit place where both you and your dog can remain comfortable. Use clippers made for dogs and sized for the thickness of the nail. Dull tools can crush or split. Keep treats close and have styptic powder ready before you begin, not after an accident happens. Hold the paw firmly enough to guide it, but never squeeze, twist, or pull the leg into an awkward position. For long-haired dogs, move the fur away so you can see the complete nail and protect hair from tools. If your dog stiffens, pulls away, licks the lips, or turns the head, pause and reduce the pressure. A successful session is not measured by finishing every nail. It is measured by preserving trust and safety. With clear nails, identify the pink quick and leave a small safety margin in front of it. Aim mainly for the narrow, curved tip rather than trying to create the shortest possible nail in one cut. With dark nails, take off only 1 or 2 millimeters at a time, using a series of controlled clips. After each cut, examine the center of the nail. A darker central spot means you are getting closer to the quick. As the center becomes softer looking, darker, or more defined, stop. Do not chase a perfect length. If you are unsure, leave the nails slightly longer. A cautious trim is always better than a painful one. Smooth sharp edges with a file or grinder so the nail is less likely to scratch or catch. Check every paw, including rear nails, and every dewclaw, because growth and wear are rarely identical. Severely overgrown nails should not be forced back to an ideal length during one session. When nails stay long, the quick may extend toward the tip, reducing the amount that can be safely removed. Small trims repeated over several weeks can encourage gradual improvement without causing unnecessary pain or bleeding. For extremely curled, embedded, or distorted nails, let a veterinarian or experienced professional create the recovery plan. If you accidentally nick the quick, stay calm. Your reaction can shape how frightened your dog becomes. Apply styptic powder directly to the nail tip and hold light, steady pressure for several minutes. Cornstarch or flour may help temporarily when styptic powder is unavailable, but proper first aid supplies are preferable. Seek veterinary help if bleeding does not stop, the nail is torn or embedded, or your dog shows severe pain. For many dogs, the hardest part is not the clip. It is allowing someone to hold the paw. Begin away from grooming day by touching the shoulder, moving down the leg, and rewarding calm behavior. Progress to holding the paw for 1 second, then 2, always releasing before the dog feels trapped. Let the dog see and hear the clipper or grinder from a distance before bringing it near the nail. One calm nail can be a complete session. Repetition builds confidence more reliably than force ever will. Clippers are fast and quiet, but they remove a larger piece at once and demand accurate placement. Grinders shorten the nail gradually and smooth the edge, but some dogs dislike the sound or vibration. When grinding, protect long fur and work in brief touches so friction does not heat the nail. Choose the tool your dog tolerates best and ask a professional for a demonstration if you lack confidence. Professional help is also the safer choice when nails are black, severely curled, broken, infected, or impossible to handle calmly. Regular checks matter more than a rigid calendar. Activity, age, surface, and nail growth change every dog's schedule. A few careful millimeters today can protect every step tomorrow. Watch the paws, respect the quick, and keep trust intact.